Huh?
Alright guys, you just saw me shoot that deer with that Mossberg 9200. I'm about to do a recovery. It's been about 40 or so minutes. I think I feel like I hit it in the shoulder. So I feel like it's been plenty of time laid up. So hopefully good Lord will bless us with a kill today. Alright guys, we're at the shot site trying to edit out to make sure I meet the YouTube community standards here. I don't think we'll have any problem finding this deer. Y'all saw the shoulder was kind of bucked out a little bit, but anyway, I know I saw it going this way. I know I saw it in the video run past this tree. So here's a deer trail. Got my gun hung up. All right, there's some transmission fluid. Definitely heading in the right direction. Some more. Go up under this little stick. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, yeah, here we go. All right. Definitely going in the right direction.
Oh, yes.
Yep, some more right there.
Woo!
Got a little more.
Nice.
Yeah, that's easy find now.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. There it is. Went over a scrape. All right, let me navigate through the stick crap. Off the trail. Don't guess it matters now. I didn't think we'd have any problem finding this deer. I know in the video I saw that shoulder knocked back, so I knew I made a critically mortally wounded shot. Nice healthy doe. All right, here's the recovery. Let me go get set up. I always say a prayer whenever I find a kill, as I always want to give thanks to God for blessing me with a successful hunt and a recovery. So just give me a second, I'm gonna get set back up. Dear God in heaven, thank you so much for allowing me to harvest this deer. Thank you for blessing my family with this meat. Thank you for your blessings, dear God, and thank you for giving me this piece of property to hunt. Thank you for the family that allowed me to come out here, and just thank you for the friendships and relationships you've blessed me with, dear God. Thank you for your son, Jesus Christ, and thank you for just all that you do for my family, dear God. Just thank you so much. And it is in your son's precious and holy name I do humbly ask these things. Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen. Slug. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you were able to enjoy what was put together. I also hope that I was able to do this old shotgun, this Mossberg 9200 series, a little bit of a justice with this rifled barrel. I do have a plain barrel, and I do plan on doing a little turkey on with it this spring, so maybe I'll be able to put a video out on it to share with this slug barrel video from this 9200. Anyway, I hope it was somewhat entertaining for you guys, and also I hope that it showcased my love for vintage shotguns, or really vintage or classic shotguns in general, and also express my gratitude and love for the Lord. If you didn't know, Jesus Christ died for you, and he loves you, and I love you guys for checking me out, and I love you guys for coming to my channel. I know it's probably the worst channel on YouTube, but with your help, we can at least move up a spot or two, become at least second or third worst. So I appreciate all that you guys do. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your encouragement, and I just thank each and every one of you. So thank you guys for being a part of this.
Thank you for watching. Please consider watching the next video in the series. I love you guys.